My name is Robert Collins, and I've been at Trane since June the 15th of 1992, as I'm a technical trainer for the equipment that's behind me, which is the water-cooled equipment. So when I came to Trane, I did not know anything about big commercial equipment at all. I started out as an apprentice, and then I moved to just a tech and started doing things on my own, and eventually became a team leader for the Charlotte office. When I started at Trane, we had 9 people, and then through time it ended up going up to 60 at service techs. So I enjoyed helping folks and going out and being with them on the job site, hands-on, showing them things. So then when I became a team leader, I took on the role of helping others, and I enjoy that. I mean, I'm a servant of people. It's in me, I can't stop it, and I love doing it. I love helping people. And then when I found out this facility was being built, it was just my next step. It just seemed like where I needed to be. And so I applied for this job and fortunately got it. You start out in Pee Wee, you work on small equipment, and you make it to the Super Bowl. So this is the Super Bowl. This is what we have behind us here. So you learn to do all of that. Everything that you need from the beginning to the end to complete your career. Trane has so many talented people, and I'm looking forward to seeing them and meeting them and being a part of their life and hopefully helping them in their career.